My girls out there, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing extremely good. You're all healthy. You all are taking good care of yourselves. Just doing fine. Good things are on your way. I'm here to assure you that today's video is going to be extremely useful for all of my girls because this is a makeup product suggestion video, and all of these products that I have for you are extremely cheap. They're affordable. They are extremely good. I use them on a daily basis. They are so multifunctional and multi-purpose. Absolutely amazing products. Without wasting any of your time, let's quickly start today's video. The first product that I have for you all today is this palette by Swiss Beauty. It's the All About Lips matte palette from Swiss Beauty. It comes with 10 shades. This retails for around 200 rupees. Girls, 220 something for this palette. It's absolutely worth. Go for it. Trust me on this. I've used this. It has a very creamish kind of a consistency but gives you a matte effect. I am wearing these two shades mixed right now. It's the perfect palette. You can mix your shades according to your need, your wish, your choice. It consists of pinks and reds. Slowly it gets deeper and deeper. Both of the sides you can mix and match your shades. It's an extremely good and handy palette. I'll just swatch some of the shades for you all to see. Go grab your hands on this. You are gonna love it, trust me. I don't know why this product is not being talked about because it's such a nice product. You can use it as your blush as well. I am wearing slight bits of it onto my cheeks. It gives you the most beautiful kind of a blush look that you want. Which shade should we go for? Maybe this one? You can get an idea of the pigment. As you can see, like the pigments, it's so creamy, girls. Like I'm doing it such a creamy kind of a consistency, and the moment I smudge, like look at the color. It's so smooth, it's so creamy. It will never dry out your lips, but it will give you this kind of a matte kind of a finish. You can see like very less bits of it is transferable. It's not extremely sticky as well, not extremely transferable as well. It's a thumbs up from my side. I'll just also show you the darkest, deepest shade of it so that you get an idea as to what you're paying for. Girls, I absolutely love this palette. Go get your hand on it. You're not gonna regret it. If you find this useful, tell me in the comment section below. It makes me happy. Alright, next product for you all is actually a mascara. This mascara is from Blue Heaven. I love this mascara. It's such a nice mascara. I use this on an everyday basis. Actually, this is exactly what I'm wearing right now for you all to see. This is exactly what the lengthening effect it gives me. I absolutely love it. So you can see it has really made my lashes extremely long and voluminous all of a sudden. It's a very nice mascara. This retails for almost around 70 or 80 rupees or 90, 89 something. Oh my god, girls, this mascara for everyday users, I don't know why it's not hyped about. This is such a nice product. Go get yourself this. This is a very nice mascara for everyday use. Alright, it's not very appropriate for parties or functions because there you want to go a little more heavy, and I'm sure there are better mascaras in the market, but for the price it comes for and for daily use, it's extremely lightweight. At the very same time, it will not smudge, and it will not take a lot of time to get it off as well, which is what I like about it. Because if you're wearing mascaras every day, you do not want your mascara to stay on forever and make it a big hassle for you to remove it, right? That's just exactly what I think. So it's very easy to remove as well. I'll just quickly show you the wand of this mascara. It's kind of like this curved wand, as you can see. So one gives you the length, the other side gives you the volume that you're looking for. It's a very nice mascara. Just try it for yourself. Do let me know if you like it or not. The next one is actually the eyeliner, which so many girls have asked me which eyeliner do I use every single day. It is this. It just comes for 55 rupees and it is very I mean, it just in the one swatch itself, it gives you the boldest black pigment that you want. It comes in 4 other shades: green, blue and another one. But this mascara is very nice. I'll just quickly show you the pigment of it. It's actually very similar to the Lakme one. If you have used that, I'll quickly show you the pigment. Like, girls, look at this. What else do you want? Isn't this perfect? Right, just go get your hands on this. It just comes for only 55 rupees. It's like an extremely good eyeliner. You will thank me for this. I love this absolutely. Now, yes, one thing that if it is not waterproof. This is one thing that it will come off if you put water and smudge it. But if you don't smudge it, then it will stay. Like, if water comes, it will stay if you don't smudge it. But if you smudge, then definitely it will get removed. So get your hands on this. Try it out for yourself. It's extremely cheap. It's not going to harm you anything. Alright, the last product that I have for you all today is this eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. I'm sure you must have seen this like multiple places, but why have I included this in today's video is simply because it is on sale right now. Its MRP is for $4.99. I actually got it on sale. It's been months since I've been using it. All of these products I've been using since months. Only then am I giving you my honest review. Otherwise, I would have never ever given any sorts of suggestions if I have not tried and tested every single product. This one thing you can be assured of. Alright, so this one palette is absolutely amazing. This is right now for 249 rupees on Amazon. Girls, go and get it. It's the Nude Awakening palette. They also have Rose in the Day and some other shades. Rose in the Day and Nude Awakening, you can get any of these two. Both of these are amazing. Both of these have very unique and very multi-purpose shades. Now, what's the speciality about this palette? What I absolutely love is that it contains all the shades a girl might ever need for filling her brows, for highlighting her face, for doing every single thing that she wants. Girls, you have to get this palette. This is such a multi-purpose and multifunctional palette. I will just swatch some of the shades for you all to see. Might just go for some highlight. I just swatched it over here. It looks so nice and pretty. Just look at this. This is the goldenish highlight. If you want to take the whitish one, then that is also an option. This is the champagne shade. So it has multiple shades of highlights, as you can see. Pinkish, oranges. This one also has a very darkish highlight. I'll just swatch this one. This has like a brown and shimmery. Like, look at the pigments. It's so pretty. It also has, of course, the black one. The black one is also so pigmented. You can create so many multiple shades with it. I mean, I absolutely love it. Then it also has this white kind of color, which you can use for your inner corners, for just opening your eyes, your eyebrows, anything that you want. You can do multiple looks with this particular palette. I absolutely love it. Highly suggested. Go get your hands on it. And if you like any of the products that I showed on to you, and if you tried it, if you will find them useful, do let me know, girls. I want to know how you're liking my videos, how all are things happening. Do let me know. And like it if you like the video. I'll be making more such content, so do subscribe to my channel as well. See you guys later. Bye bye. Take care.